guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Valentina. Nice to meet you. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing Sephora Play for the month of September. I usually try to combine this with a haul or try to include things that I actually bought for the month, but I just did a haul maybe 2 videos ago on my Spanish channel. So I decided, why not? I'm just going to do a video unboxing this, and I'm going to include one item that I actually didn't get to include on my last haul just because I didn't receive it on time. But if you want to see what I received on my Sephora Play for the month of September, just keep on watching. As usual, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. Comment down below and let's get started. All right, so one of the things that I want to mention for this month, my box is filthy. My kids got a hold of it and then it's just a hot mess. But one of the things that I want to mention for this month that I think that deserves a round of applause, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Well, just deserves some credit, is that Sephora finally changed all of those little bags that they used to send for this little Ziploc bags. And these are actually recyclable. Recyclable, am I saying that right? Yeah, so I can actually recycle this and I don't have to throw away those cloth bags that are not recycled. Super happy that they're actually being conscious of the environment, so thumbs up for that. So yeah, this is the bag that I received this month. I ended up opening because I actually recorded a video right before this one, unboxing this, so I kind of already seen what I have. But obviously I'm going to show you guys everything that I received and what I like, what I didn't like, and so and so. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this product. This is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume. This is what I received. It's I'll say this is a little bit of a deluxe sample. It's not a very small mascara. I love this type of things just because I haven't actually bought a mascara in the longest time because I keep receiving these ones and I like to test out different ones. The only ones that I did repurchase was the Lash Paradise just because I do love that one, and then that's what I use whenever I'm like going out, you know, and about. I don't want obviously be testing mascara if I don't know how it's going to work on my eyes, but for the most part, if I have lashes, I'm not really that picky with my mascara. And this one is by Sephora. I mentioned that this kind of reminds me of Tarte's packaging. I don't know why, maybe because Tarte lately has been including all these C kind of things. This is the wand. It's supposed to be a volumizing mascara. I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram on how it works out, but this is how the wand looks. So yeah, this is the first item. For the second item, I received a sample of the Flower Bomb by Victor, what's it called? Victor Rolf. I actually have the Flower Bomb, the original one, and this is the one I received. I believe this one's called Nectar. This is I guess a new version of the Flower Bomb. Love the first one. This one I actually tested out earlier and really like it. It kind of reminds me of a Dior scent. I don't know which one it is that it reminds me of, but love. So I'm gonna be keeping this on my purse. If I end up loving this for the winter, I'll definitely will purchase a full size. Continuing on with this product, this is by Peter Thomas Roth. I've seen so many people rave about this product. This is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Atomic Heat Mask. It's supposed to be a mask that rejuvenates your skin, or it makes it look younger and smoother. At least that's what it claims to do. I'm sorry, I keep fixing my hair, but these little baby hairs are driving me crazy. One fun fact about me, if you guys haven't been watching my content, my husband is actually Romanian, and Hungary and Romania are neighbors, or somewhat super close to each other. And I actually asked him about this thermal water. He says that Romania also carries a thermal water that people bathe in and also drinks. It's supposed to be really good for you. It boosts your immune system. So I think it's kind of cool that they actually are including this type of natural mineral things on this type of mask. Pretty cool. Thought I'd mention it. So I'm excited to actually try this out. Love the packaging because it kind of reminds me of algae, that's how you say it, you know, the seaweed, that's what I mean, because of the two combinations. But love, I can't wait to try this. I think I might be able to do maybe 1 or 2 masks with this size. Continuing on, I was super excited to see this. This is a Too Faced Hangover Primer. I've heard so many people talk about this. It's supposed to be a hydrating primer. Yep, nourishing. I'll probably be able to get 2 usages out of this. I'm not huge in primers. I have to be honest with you guys. I almost never use primers, but I always been curious about this just because I do like hydrating primers. I do use my moisturizer as a primer, but for the most part, I always like to test these ones out, especially if I'm gonna be doing makeup on other people. You always want to use a primer just to make sure everything stays in place. So yeah, happy to receive this. I'll definitely be testing this one out. Continuing on, I received this Tidal, I think that's how you say it, Cream Aqua, I can't say the other stuff, it's in French, by Sunday Riley. This is what it looks like. It's like this little tub. And I am a, you know, I was talking in my Spanish channel about this and just saying overall, Sunday Riley was a brand that I loved in the beginning. I was really looking into investing into, especially the Good Genes cream, because I heard so many good things about it. But unfortunately, once I started researching about the brand, I got so many mixed reviews that I wasn't sure if I wanted to invest that much money on a cream that I wasn't sure if it was going to work. I opted to use Drunk Elephant. I'm a super Drunk Elephant fan. I use it in all the products in the morning and at night, and they seem to be working great for me. They're super, super natural. So I'm happy to actually have received this. I want to see how it actually compares to some of my Drunk Elephant products. I'm the type of person that likes to research and really try things out before I go and spend $175 on a cream. I don't know if this moisturizer is that pricey, but I know Sunday Riley does have high prices. So I'm excited to actually try this out. I'll let you guys know how it ends up working out for me. And lastly, I received this product for nude sticks. Oh my God, I think I ruined it already. It's like in the edge. This is in the color Kiss. It's kind of like, reminds me of the Chubby Sticks. It's a beautiful color. I actually swatched it on my arm. In my hand. This color, I love this mauvey colors. I guess Nude Sticks is a brand that creates this type of product for your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes. So super excited to try them out all over my face. It looks like a cool texture. I do follow a YouTuber that just did a collaboration with them. I think her name is Melissa Alatorre or Latour. I don't know how to say her name. I'm sorry, Melissa, if you're watching. Probably not, but just saying. It was the first time I heard about them, so I'm actually pretty curious to start kind of playing with this formula and seeing how I like it. So we'll see what happens. And then lastly, I ended up buying, this is actually an item that I bought, bonus item. This is a jade roller. I don't think this is actually 100% real jade because it was super inexpensive, but I wanted to try it out before I actually committed to a more expensive one. So far, so good. I've been keeping it on my fridge. This is supposed to be able to increase the circulation in your face by obviously massaging it in it. Massaging your face, and then also deep puff in the morning when you wake up super, super puffy. I'm actually currently trying it out. I'll let you guys how it ends up working out. I did end up purchasing 2 of this ones because I am putting some stuff together to do giveaways. I'm going to do the giveaway in this channel and my Spanish channel very soon. So obviously don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, this is the last item. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'm watching you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Big kisses to everybody. Bye-bye.